Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a classic margarita, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur. Don't forget to prepare your glass by rimming it with coarse salt. This simple step adds a delightful savory contrast to the drink. Make sure your shaker and glass are ready for action. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix. Pour the 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur into your cocktail shaker. Next, fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. This ensures your drink gets perfectly chilled. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the shaker feels frosty to the touch. With your margarita perfectly chilled, it's time to serve. Carefully strain the mixture from the shaker into your salt-trimmed glass. You can add fresh ice to the glass if you prefer your drink extra cold. For the finishing touch, garnish your margarita with a fresh lime wheel or a simple lime wedge. This not only looks appealing, but also adds a wonderful aromatic element. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, refreshing margarita. Here are a few tips to elevate your margarita experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of tequila. A Blanco offers a crisp taste, while a Reposado adds a smoother, aged note. You can also adjust the sweetness to your liking by adding a 1/4 ounce of agave nectar. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade margarita responsibly, and feel free to get creative with your garnishes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.